For existing viewer protocols, we will now give a brief overview of how to modify the contents of the viewer form, configuration, and protocol itself. Traditionally, designing a viewer protocol is just the first step in finalizing your workflow. After testing the protocol with a few colleagues or experts, adjustments to the way images are displayed, the way the form guides the user through the workflow, and additional changes to the protocol contents are common. Through this iterative process, the protocol designer will need to make updates without having to generate a new protocol with each change. For example, if your testers noted that the time point symptom questionnaire information was unhelpful in their evaluation, and they felt the form could be simplified by changing the way the target lesion question was asked, these changes can be made to the viewer form for retesting. Navigating to your Postman account, open the Forms API folder and the Create Form call. Then open the Update Form call. In the Put Entry field, note that the form ID is needed to make edits. This can be found in the Create Protocol body in the Protocols API folder. Copy and paste the ID into the Put Call Entry field and then copy and paste the form definition from the Create Form call. In the body of the Update Form call, make the suggested edits to the viewer form. In this example, we will first delete the form section that pulled the symptom questionnaire metadata. Next, we will update the form field that asked about target lesions to be more efficient. We will also adjust the conditional logic for the next form field to reflect the answer changes we made on the target lesion question. Once all of your updates have been made, hit Save and Send to update the viewer form definition. Note, the form ID remains unchanged. We will review these changes in the viewer once the other suggested updates are made to the protocol. Changes to the viewer configuration are also common. In this example, the testers noted the importance of having all three planes of the image visible as they evaluate the anatomic location of the tumors. As such, the protocol designer will add a custom hanging protocol definition to the configuration. Navigating back to Postman, open the Viewer Configs API folder and the Modify Viewer Config call. Just like the update call for the viewer form, the configuration ID is needed. Copy and paste this from the Create Viewer Protocol definition. Then copy and paste the body of the Create Viewer Config call into the update call. In this example, we will add a custom hanging protocol definition to the configuration, ensure all updates are made, save those changes, and press Send. Again, note the configuration ID has not changed. The last update we will make is to the viewer protocol itself. For accuracy, the testers requested that the protocol be named with the version of the RESIST criteria being used in this workflow. Navigating back to Postman, open the Protocols API folder and the Update Protocols call. In order to get the protocol ID, go the Get All Protocols call. Click Try in the upper right-hand corner and search for the protocol you're looking to update by name. Copy the protocol ID and paste it in the Put call to update the protocol. Lastly, navigate to the Create Protocol section and copy-paste the body into the Update call. You can also retrieve the protocol body using the Get Protocol option if the Create Protocol content is not up to date. Make any adjustments to the body, such as the label. Save your changes and click Send. Now, We can go back to Flywheel and test the changes we've made to our viewer protocol. In the task creation drawer, the updates to the protocol label and description can be seen. Create a new test task and open the task in the viewer. Here we can see the new custom hanging protocol being applied from our configuration update, with all 3 planes displayed. Additionally, the symptom questionnaire metadata is no longer visible under the relevant information section of the viewer form, and the target lesion question changes are present. To learn more about viewer protocols and reader task data, check out our other tutorial videos at youtube.com/flywheel.io.